Hi students, in the last class we have studied how to express cos power 7 theta and cos power 5 theta in series of cosine multiples of theta. Similarly, express sin 5 theta in a series of sine multiples of sin theta. Okay, for that first take let z equals cos theta plus I sin theta. Then 1 by z equals cos theta minus I sin theta. Subtraction z minus 1 by z. Cos theta plus I sin theta minus of cos theta minus I sin theta equals 2I sin theta. Both sides raise the power by 5. 2I sin theta power 5 z minus 1 by z to the power 5, or we can write this z plus of minus 1 by z to the power 5. This becomes 2 power 5 I power 5 sin 5 theta. Okay, by using binomial theorem this can be written as 5 c naught z power 5 plus 5c1 z power 4 minus 1 by z, 5c2 z cube minus 1 by z square, 5c3 z square minus 1 by z cube, 5c4 z minus 1 by z power 4 plus 5c5 minus 1 by z to the power 5. Okay, 5c0 value is 1 z power 5, 5c1 value 5 z power 4 by z z cube minus 1, 5c2 value 10 z cube minus 1 by z square is 1 by z square z, 5c3 value 10 z square minus 1 cube is minus 1 z cube z square by z cube z plus 5c4 value 5 z 1 by z power 4, we have 1 by z cube, 5c5 value 1 minus 1 by z power 5 is minus 1 by z5. Okay, now adding the terms z power 5 minus 1 by z power 5, 5 common minus 5 common, here we have z cube, here plus so minus minus plus minus 1 by z cube plus 10 common z minus 1 by z. By the formula we know that this value is 2I sin 5 theta minus 5, this value 2I sin 3 theta plus 10, this value 2I sin theta. In all these terms take 2I common, sin 5 theta minus 5 sin 3 theta plus 10 sin theta. RHS 2 power 5, I power 5 value is I power 4 into I power 4 value 1 into I is I sin power 5 theta. Sin 5 theta equals 2I divided by 2 power 5 I. This term I cancel, 2 by 2 power 5 is 1 by 2 power 4 sin 5 theta minus 5 sin 3 theta plus 10 sin theta. Okay, similarly we solve one more example. Express sin power 6 theta in terms of multiples of theta. So let z equals cos theta plus I sin theta, 1 by z equals cos theta minus I sin theta, subtraction z minus 1 by z, 2I sin theta, raise the power by 6, 2I sin theta power 6, z minus 1 by z whole power 6. This can be written as z plus of minus 1 by z power 6. This becomes 2 power 6 I power 6 sin 6 theta. Next, by using binomial theorem, 6 c0 z power 6 plus 6 c1 z power 5 minus 1 by z plus 6 c2 z power 4 minus 1 by z square plus 6 c3 z cube minus 1 by z cube plus 6 c4 z square minus 1 by z power 4 plus 6 c5 z into minus 1 by z power 5 plus 6 c6 minus 1 by z power 6. Next, substituting the values of 6c0, 6c1, 6c2, 6c3, we get z power 6 plus 6 z power 5 minus 1 by z, 15 z power 4 by z square plus 20 z cube minus 1 by z cube plus 15 z square 1 by z power 4 plus 6 z into minus 1 by z power 5 plus 1 by z power 6. Next, z power 6 This becomes minus 6z power 4, 15z square, minus 20, 15 by z square, minus 6 by z power 4, 1 by z power 6. Z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6, minus 6 common, z power 4, 1 by z power 4, 15, z square plus 1 by z square, minus 20. This value is 2 cos 6 theta, this value 2 cos 4 theta, 2 cos 2 theta, minus 20. Here RHS 2 power 6, I power 6 value, I power 6 can be written as I power 4 I square, I power 4 value 1, I square value minus 1, minus 1 sin 6 theta. Okay, 2 power 6 minus 1 sin 6 theta, in this term take 2 common. Next sin 6 theta, 2 by 2 power 6 is 1 by 2 power 5, here we have minus sign, so minus 1 by 2 power 5, cos 6 theta minus 6 cos 4 theta plus 15 cos 2 theta minus 10. Next example, expand cos 7 theta, cos power 7 alla, this is cos 7 theta, expand cos 7 theta in terms of powers of cos theta and sin theta. Okay, solution. First take cos 7 theta plus I 7 theta, this can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta to the power 7. Now use binomial theorem to expand this one. 7c0 cos power 7 theta plus 7c1 cos power 6 theta I sin theta plus 7c2 cos power 5 theta I sin theta square, 7c3 cos 4 theta I sin theta cube plus 7c4 cos cube theta I sin theta power 4, 7c5 cos square theta I sin theta power 5 plus 7c6 cos theta I sin theta power 6 plus 7c7 I sin theta power 7. Now substitute all the values of 7c0, 7c1, 7c2, 7c3, 7c4, 7c5, 7c6, 7c7 and we get I square value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 value 1, I power 5 value I power 6 is minus 1, I power 7 value equals minus 1. We get cos theta plus I sin theta equals cos 7 theta plus 7I cos 6 theta sin theta minus 21 cos power 5 theta sin square theta minus 35I cos power 4 theta sin cube theta plus 35 cos cube theta sin power 4 theta plus 21 cos square theta sin 5 theta minus 7 cos theta sin power 6 theta minus I sin power 7 theta. Now equating the real and imaginary parts. Imaginary parts nothing but the terms which has I term. If there is I term, then it is imaginary. If there is no I term, then it is real part. In this one, in the LHS real part cos 7 theta. In this one real part cos power 7 theta, this is not real, minus 21 cos power 5 sin square theta, 35 cos cube theta sin power 4 theta and this one minus 7 cos theta sin 6 theta and sin 7 theta is imaginary terms. 7 cos power 6 theta sin theta minus 35 cos power 4 theta sin cube theta plus 2 cos square theta sin power 5 theta last term minus minus sin 7 theta. This is real part, this is imaginary part. This is the expansion of cos 7 theta in terms of cos and sin. Now we can express this one in terms of only cos, that is, for example, cos 7 theta, we have cos 7 theta minus 21 cos power 5 theta sin square theta plus 35 cos cube theta sin power 4 theta plus 7 cos theta sin power 6 theta. Now we have to express this in terms of only cos. Then you replace sin by cos. Sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta whole square. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta whole square here. Sin power 6 theta can be written as sin square theta whole cube. Sin square theta cube. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta cube. Next, cos 7 theta minus 21 cos 5 theta 1 minus cos square theta plus 35 cos cube theta. Expand this one, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 plus cos 4 theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 7 cos theta. This is of the form a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Similarly, 1 minus cos square theta cube minus 3 into 1 into cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta. We have cos power 7 theta minus 21 cos power 5 theta minus plus 21 cos power 7 theta plus 35 cos cube theta plus 35 cos cube cos power 4 theta cos 7 theta. 35 minus 2 minus 70 cos cube into cos square cos power 5 theta plus 7 cos theta minus 7 cos theta cos square theta cube 7 cos power 7 theta minus 7 into 3 21 cos theta cos square theta cos cube theta